Hello guys, today I'm going to be making a random number guessing game on my first tutorial using a random module on Python. I'm using Python on Darwin 3.5.2. Okay, so let's get started. First we have to import the module. Next we're going to set number of guesses, which is a variable, to equal 0. And we're going to interact with the user, so hello. What is your name? A name will equal input, so what they will answer will be stored as their name. Now, number, which is another variable, will be stored as number generated from one range to the other. So we're going to do 1 to 20 here. Okay, so print number I am thinking of is between 1 and 20. Then you can say plus name. So it is going to print the number I'm thinking of is between 1 and 20, and then your name. Okay, so here we're creating a while loop. So while num of guesses, so number of guesses is smaller than 6. You can change this value to whatever you want, but I'm going to do 6. Interact with the user again. Take a guess. Now we're going to store guess as an input, and we're going to do guess and store it as a int. So this basically makes sure that you enter a number to guess. If it isn't a number, it will crash, which is good for reducing number of errors that you can get from your program. So here what we're going to do is we're setting a number of guesses to add 1 every time you guess, which will make sense. Now if guess is smaller than number, then print number is too low. Now if guess is bigger than the number that is generated, print number is too high. Now if guess equals number, then break the while loop, and then here outside the while loop you're going to do this. If guess equals number, so if your input equals number generated by the random here, then it will str the number of guesses, so it will convert the string type of number of guesses to a string instead of a value like it was before. So print well done space, make sure space, plus you can put, now you can refer to your name, and then you say you guess the number in, and then plus num of guesses, just to make sure that is right so we have no errors. Now this will make sure that if the number equals the number generated, then it will be fine. Now if it doesn't, you have to make another if statement. So number will change, so again change the data type. Okay, so If guess does not equal number, then you will change the number to str number, so then you'll be able to call out later. And here you will print wrong, unlucky, the number was, and then here we'll do plus number, which you already str, so we'll be able to input it. If you didn't str the number, it will give you an error because number is a random or undid, so it's a value and it cannot print a value if it's not converted into a string. So if we try this, so here we're going to go into the PowerShell, we're going to save it as tutorial. I'm going to save it as tutorial. I'm just going to run it. I've just changed, so instead of plus you just put a comma in each one, so here a comma, here a comma, here a comma, and here a comma. So now we're going to test it out. So David, let's take 12, too high, let's take 3, too low, 5, too low, 7, too low, 9, too high, so it must be 8. Well done David, you guessed the number in 6. So that is how you make a program for Python, a random number guessing game. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back with another tutorial soon.